Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the outlawed fish to complete the troubled waters, which is the quest from the sheriff in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the latest update, Copper Canyon and Pets, and there is a new quest from this sheriff. You need to go to the new island, the Copper Canyon Island, and you're going to talk to the sheriff to take the quest. And the quest is called Troubled Waters. This one, I've already completed this quest. You need to catch the outlawed fish to complete this quest, and I'm going to show you where is the outlawed fish. I'm going to go to this fishing spot at the Copper Canyon Island, and you're just going to fish here, and you need to catch this fish guys. Let me show you this one, Copper Canyon. Okay, the outlawed fish are this one, Outlaw Seahorse, and also the Bandit Octopus. So you need to catch them to complete the quest from the sheriff. And after you complete the quest, you will get this rod skin, the desert rod skin. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one. After you complete the quest, you will get this rod skin, the desert rod skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the outlawed fish to complete the quest from Sheriff in Fish It Game of Roblox new update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!